guys, it's me William, and today I'm going to show you how to make Ringo Starr what he looks like in 2018 and 19. So yeah, let's get started. So first, the hair, I used this like old man guy. Maybe he was from the Lego City sets, and then I just painted black because you can see in the photo what Ringo Starr kind of looks like in 2018 now. So he kind of has like this like hair shape. So yeah, that's what I did. So, and the face is from Ant-Man. And what I actually did is I got him some sunglasses and a kind of a beard. So what I did is I used this silver paint texture and a black Sharpie. So, and then I had to be really careful to not like get all of the things like not messed up. So yeah, that's the face. And the torso, I had to make my own because I was gonna use a Bruce Banner one, but I didn't think it was really good. So I just like get a silver paint texture and then just design all the details what Ringo Starr kind of wears, and then I just draw some shoes. So now we are going to look at the drum set. So let's just take this apart and then just show you guys. Sorry guys, you have to wait for a minute because sometimes it just breaks off. I just don't know why. So you can see here it's pretty different in the inside. So there's his hi-hat, his crash cymbal, his ride cymbal, and his crash cymbal. And then I didn't know Ringo Starr had an extra hi-hat. So I did his snare, his light tom, and then his low tom, and his bass drum. So how I actually got the bass drum pedal, I mean not the bass drum pedal, sorry guys. So how I got the bass drum is that I actually did like exactly like the other one, like Roger Taylor from the Queen one. You can see that video right there. So what I actually did is I got some Sugru, well, not sponsored by Sugru anyways, and then I just like, so let me just show you guys. So what I did is I got some Sugru, and then you can see he has like a logo, and then it says Ludwig. But you can't really see it. So, and then I draw a star, and then I try to draw a star. But guys, I absolutely suck at drawing stars, really. And then there's like a hole in it, and yeah. And then I just got some blue tack in here so you could just see that. And then I just got some cardboard and then designed it like Ringo Starr's drum sets. So, oh come on, it keeps falling off. Okay. So I'm just going to show you guys what he looks like, what Ringo looks like on his drum set. So here's a seat. Anyways, so I'm just going to make, oops, why does Ringo's drumsticks always fly around? So okay, so just like that, and then okay, so sorry you can hear my dog, but so this is what he looks like on his drum set. So it looks really cool. I am so proud how it turned out. So, and yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And what other custom from the Beatles I should make? Should I just make like Paul McCartney, George Harrison, John Lennon, or Yoko Ono, John Lennon's girlfriend, or I don't know. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.